future global students. Welcome back to the Student Helpline, where we turn your study abroad dreams into real-life success stories.
And today's video is going to be a battle of the best, New Zealand versus Ireland. Which country wins when it comes to universities, cost of study and job opportunities?
We're breaking it down: universities, tuition, scholarships, jobs and student life. Basically everything your agent didn't tell you.
So grab a snack, hit subscribe and comment below. Are you hashtag Team Peaceful Kiwi or hashtag Team Irish Hustle? Let's see who wins this round.
Also, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon because at the Student Helpline, we are here to help you study smarter, not harder.
So why compare New Zealand and Ireland? Simple. Both are English speaking, student friendly and globally respected for their education quality.
New Zealand is like soft-spoken topper, organized, kind and into long hikes and calm energy. Meanwhile, Ireland is that loud extrovert who somehow networks with Google, Meta and Pfizer between hits.
New Zealand literally plans to double its international students by 2034. So more scholarships, more flexibility, more chill.
And Ireland? It's Europe's corporate headquarters. Google, Meta, Pfizer, Apple, basically Silicon Valley with rain.
So yeah, New Zealand gives you balance, Ireland gives you bags.
Let's dive into the universities now. New Zealand follows the British model, interactive, practical and globally recognized. Think smaller class sizes, professors who actually know your name, and courses that don't feel like PowerPoint torture.
Top picks: University of Auckland, Otago, Victoria Wellington, Canterbury and Massey University. Massey is like the GOAT for aviation and agricultural students.
University of Auckland ranks on number 68 globally in QS 2025 rankings, and Massey is world famous for aviation, agriculture and business programs.
On the Irish side, you have Trinity College Dublin, University College Dublin, University College Cork, University of Galway and Dublin City University, all high in global rankings.
Trinity and UCD both make into the top 100 universities in the world. Ireland clearly wins in rankings.
But New Zealand's smaller class sizes gives you more personal attention. It's not just about rankings, it's about learning experience.
Alright, let's talk cash, aka the reason most of us rethink our dream degree while eating Maggie at midnight.
In New Zealand, tuition fees for international students ranges between $50,000 to $25,000 per year for undergraduates and up to $35,000 for postgraduates.
Talking about the living expenses, which can average around $1,200 per month in cities like Auckland or Wellington.
In Ireland, tuition ranges from €9,000 to €25,000 depending on the course. But for business or pharma, it can go as high as €35,000.
Dublin's living cost is about €1,500 a month, while Cork and Galway are cheaper.
So overall, New Zealand has higher tuition, but Ireland's cost of living can make things even out depending on your lifestyle.
Good news! Both countries offer amazing scholarships for international students.
New Zealand has the Manaki Scholarship, New Zealand Excellence Award and tons of university-specific options.
Ireland has the Government of Ireland International Education Scholarship, UCD Global Excellence and Trinity Global Awards.
Both allow you to work 20 hours per week during term time and full-time during holidays.
And post-study work visas, New Zealand offers up to 3 years while Ireland gives you 2 years. So both are great options to start your career.
Now comes the big question: who wins when it comes to jobs?
In New Zealand, fresh graduates can earn between $40,000 to $70,000 annually, depending on the industry.
And in Ireland, the average graduate salary ranges from €40,000 to €1 lakh and more, especially in tech, finance and healthcare. For more detailed information, check out our videos on part-time jobs while studying abroad. Link is in the description. If you dream of working at Google, Meta or Pfizer, Ireland opens doors to European headquarters.
But New Zealand offers a stable economy, less competition, and excellent work-life balance.
So Ireland is the go-getters' paradise.
And New Zealand is the peaceful achievers' home. Now let's talk about student life because your college experience isn't just about textbooks.
In New Zealand, you wake up to mountain views, beaches, and world's friendliest people. It's calm, nature-driven, and super safe.
Ireland, on the other hand, is full of life, music, festivals, global students, and weekend trips across Europe.
If you're an adventure lover, New Zealand wins.
If you're a social butterfly, Ireland steals the crown. Let's summarize with some pros and cons.
For New Zealand, pros: safety, scenic beauty, post-study work up to 3 years, and a balanced life.
Cons: smaller job market and fewer multinationals.
For Ireland, pros: global exposure, higher salaries, and European connections.
And cons: high living costs in Dublin and strong job competition. So, who's your winner? The calm Kiwi lifestyle or the energetic Irish career vibe?
Comment #Team New Zealand or #Team Ireland. Which country you'd pick? And the Student Helpline team will help you find the perfect program and university match.
Make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss our study abroad comparisons every week.
Because here at the Student Helpline, we don't just dream, we plan, guide, and make it happen. Until next time, stay curious
Stay global
and keep chasing your dreams.
Thanks for watching.
See you in the next video.